Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and to this video we have given a question which is square root of a plus square root of b equals to 10, and you're supposed to find square root of ab equals to 10. Solution. Okay, and of course here this is what we have been asked to find, a and b. Let's just copy what we have, square root of a plus square root of b equals to 10, and square root of ab equals to 10. This can be denoted as equation 1, whereas this can be denoted as equation 2. Let's just take equation 1, which is square root of a plus square root of b, which is equal to 10. Then we want to get the value of a and plus b only. Then we shall square both sides to get what? Square root of a squared plus 2 square root of here a times square root of b, then plus square root of b squared equals to 100. Then this is a, then plus b plus 2 square root of a b, then will be equals to 100. And of course we have seen that square root of ab here is equal to 10, so that we shall write a plus b plus 2 times 10 equals to 100. Then a plus b, then here plus 80 will be 20, will be 100. Then a plus b equals to 100 minus 20. Of course a plus b will be 80. This is what we have right here. Okay, then here this will be question number 3. And of course we have given here question ab, square root of ab equals to 10. Then by square both sides we shall get what? ab, which is equal to 100. To mean that this is question number 4, this one. And we're going to solve them simultaneously to get what? Here we have a plus b equals to 80, and of course here I have ab equals to 100. We can find the value of a, which is equal to 80 minus b. Then we shall replace it in second equation where ab equals to 100. Then a will be replaced by this one, 80 minus b times b will be 100. Then 80 b minus b squared will be 100. Then here 80 b minus b squared minus 100 will be 0. By rearranging and dividing negative on both sides, we shall write b squared minus 80 b plus 100 will be 0. And this is a quadratic equation where we are going to find b, 1 and 2 will be what? This is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of here b squared minus 4a c over 2a. And this will be, here we have 80, that is 80, then plus or minus the square root of, have negative and negative shall be positive, that is 80 squared, that is 64, 0, 0 minus here 4 times 1 times 100, then over 2 times 1 is equal to 2, and this will be 80 plus or minus square root of 6400 minus 400, then here over 2, and this will be 80 plus or minus square root of 6000 over 2, and this is equal to 80 plus or minus square root of here, this one can be written as 400 times 15, then over 2, and of course this will be 80 plus or minus square root of 400 is equal to 20, square root of 15 over over 2. So this is equal to 40 here plus or minus 10 square root of 15. And this is our solution of B1 and 2. We are supposed to find A. We have seen that the value of A is equal to 80 minus B. And of course A will be 80, then minus, if it is A1, let's take that here, B1 equals to 40 plus 10 square root of 15, and B2 equals to 40 minus 10 square root of 15. Then here minus 40 plus 10 square root of 15, and this will be 80 minus 40, then minus 10 square root of 15. This will be 40 minus 10 square root of 15. This is A1, whereas A2 can be opposite of this one, where it is 40 plus 10 square root of 15. And here we can check if the answer is correct, because we have given this one square root of A plus the square root of B, which is equal to 10 as the first question, and the square root of here AB, which is equal to 10. And this question has been transformed into here, right? This question has been transformed into the question A plus B equals to 80 and AB equals to 100. Right, then here, this is what we have right here. We have A, which is equal to 40 minus 10 here, say plus 10 square root of 15, then plus here at this stage 40 minus 10 square root of 15, which is equal to 80. Right, of course here I have plus this one and negative this, so that it shall be cancelled to get 40 plus 40, which is equal to 80. What about this one? We shall have 40 plus 10 square root of 15, right? Then times 40 minus 10 square root of 15, which is equal to 100. And of course we have A plus B as A minus B, which is equal to, we shall get what? 40, right? 40 squared minus 10 square root of 15 here squared, and this is equal to this 100. This is 1600 minus here 100 times 15, which is equal to 100, and this is 1600, then minus 1500, which is equal to 100, and here 100 is equal to 100. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.